So I'm Tom Davis, and I'm speaking for W.R. Davis Engineering, and we're an engineering and manufacturing company located in Ottawa, Canada. And we have clients around the world. We have customers in about 25 different countries presently. So the company was founded in 1975 by my father. His name is Rolly Davis, Willard Rowland Davis. The company started as a generalist mechanical engineering company, but after, say, 5 years or so, it began uh, to capitalize on some opportunities related to gas turbines, specifically gas turbine exhaust infrared suppression. So the Canadian Navy was interested in protecting its ships from an infrared guided missile, a heat seeking missile. And the exhaust from gas turbines is the largest source of heat signature on a ship. And so the Canadian Navy needed a device which reduced that heat signature. And it could be done with a device called an infrared suppressor, which uh, through its design geometry uh, brings in cool air, cools the exhaust gas, and cools the uptake metal, and reduces the signature of the ship due to that source by greater than 90%. And so the Canadian DND needed a company to design and manufacture these devices. And Davis Engineering bid on that requirement and was successful and fielded those devices for both the Halifax class frigates and the Trump retrofit for the Iroquois class destroyers. So those were the first two infrared suppression projects that were done by the company. They were done starting in 1985. And that was the start of an international business for those devices, because of the need for all navies around the world to protect themselves against this threat. It was natural for the company to begin to market internationally. And through the late 80s and early 90s, we did so and were successful first in Israel, Greece, Japan, and Spain, and then subsequently to many other countries. As a supplier for the Type 26, we're in a leading position to win that business for the CSC as well as Hunter. So the CSC and the Canadian Shipbuilding Program is important to us. This is a large scope of supply for us, and also goes out 10 to 15 years. In terms of jobs, certainly it has to have an increase. I guess a lot of it is sustainment of our workforce over the next 10 to 15 years, which is also very important for our company and also for maintaining capability within Canada. One very important offshoot of the infrared suppression system business that we have from ships has been applying the same technology. To date, we've qualified/certified devices for 15 different aircraft and have some very prestigious customers and aircraft types that we've designed suppressors for, including the U.S. Army CH-47, which is actually in use by the Canadian Air Force, as well as the C-130J Hercules. So that has been a perfectly complementary business for us that's arisen out of this 1985 design win for the suppressors for the Canadian frigates.